If you're looking for natural ways to enhance your beauty routine, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most versatile beauty secrets: coconut oil. From glowing skin to lustrous hair, coconut oil is a must-have for every beauty lover. Stick around for our top 10 tips and the amazing benefits coconut oil can offer. 1. Deep conditioning hair treatment. Coconut oil is a fantastic deep conditioner for your hair. Apply it to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing for softer, shinier locks. This strengthens your hair from the roots, reducing breakage and split ends. 2. Natural hair detangler. Tired of tangled hair? Rub a small amount of coconut oil between your palms and gently run it through damp or dry hair to make detangling easier. It makes hair more manageable while adding moisture, perfect for dry or curly hair types. 3. Scalp treatment for dandruff. If you struggle with dandruff, massage coconut oil into your scalp. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help to keep your scalp healthy and flake-free. This soothes irritation, reducing dryness and dandruff over time. 4. Overnight hair mask. For a more intense hair treatment, apply coconut oil to your hair and leave it in overnight. Wash it out the next morning for deeply moisturized hair. It hydrates and strengthens hair overnight, promoting growth and vitality. 5. Makeup remover. Coconut oil is an excellent natural makeup remover. Just massage a small amount onto your skin and wipe away with a cotton pad. It easily breaks down makeup while nourishing the skin, leaving it soft and hydrated. 6. Moisturizer for dry skin. Coconut oil is perfect for dry skin. After a shower, apply a thin layer to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling smooth and soft. It forms a protective barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss and helping to repair dry or cracked skin. 7. Lip balm. Say goodbye to chapped lips. Dab a little coconut oil on your lips for instant hydration and softness. It nourishes and protects lips from drying out, keeping them soft and kissable. 8. Anti-aging skincare. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use it as part of your nightly skincare routine. It promotes skin elasticity, giving you a more youthful glow over time. 9. Soothing sunburn. Spent too much time in the sun? Coconut oil can soothe sunburnt skin. Apply gently to reduce redness and irritation. It provides moisture and relief, speeding up the healing process and preventing peeling. Tip number 10. Natural body scrub. Mix coconut oil with sugar or salt to create an all-natural exfoliating body scrub. Use it in the shower to slough off dead skin cells. This leaves your skin smooth, radiant, and deeply moisturized. So, why is coconut oil such a game changer for both hair and skin? It's packed with medium-chain fatty acids, which deeply nourish and moisturize. Its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for addressing everything from dry skin to dandruff. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants that can help reduce the effects of aging. Coconut oil is truly a multi-purpose beauty solution that's natural, affordable, and easy to find. And there you have it, 10 amazing ways to use coconut oil for your hair and skin. Whether you're looking for a natural conditioner, a skin moisturizer, or a remedy for dandruff, coconut oil has got you covered. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.